Messing about. I should have done all this at weekend. Prescription. Yeah, high blood pressure capsules. I'm not surprised. Yeah, I've disconnected the front brake light because the bloody pistons have been binding on again, and therefore the lever was just loose. So on Saturday, I've done the other side already. I should have spent an hour doing this. See, that one's stuck. So, squidge that back in. I meant to get into a Saturday routine of doing this every Saturday. It's not a big job, is it? I'll squidge them back in with a G-clamp. Free up the loose one. See the loose one? The loose one, the binding one. Push that out. Squirt that. I haven't got time to find the toothbrush. I've got a few old toothbrushes in the drawer. Oh, how's that got in there? Set that one off. Squeeze that in and the other two will start moving probably. Or the other three. Not too bad. Where's all the doings? Check the brake pads. Oh dear me. I should have swapped these round last time. Should have put my new ones in. Just one side. Come on. I'll do the others tomorrow. That's only an easy job. Blackie mine, you ain't fucking way. What was I doing Saturday? Faffing about going round them bloody shops for nothing. Enough room, and it's fully back. Yeah, it's my own fault. Like I said, I'm meant to be getting into a regular Saturday routine of cleaning my brakes after commuting to work all week, and there's still salty roads. There's remnants of salt which will kick up that horrible white dust. I know, I should hold the other two in. This is the one I replaced from that scrap bike, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let's see what it's like for room. Alright. Yes. Oh, microwave meals bleeping. I didn't have anything to eat last night, that's why I just spotted that Rogan Josh curry. Grease. I didn't grease the other one because it had plenty in, but that looks a bit dry. Oh, 2 brushes there from last time. See, I could have done it all on Saturday, couldn't I? Swerve. time. 22, not doing so bad. Normally have a meal about 10 to. Dust cap. Never over tighten that because it's a bugger to get off. Right. Room. Not enough room there. Yes, good. Oops. Right. Yeah, the reason, can you see? I use the old bloody pads. I thought they'd wear down flat again because the reason the wedge shape, can you see against that white wall, is that the pads were binding on, the pistons were binding on before, and therefore I only pushing one side in, so they wore unevenly. I'll leave all that till tonight. Have we got pressure back at the lever? And it compensates. Well, it's returning. Let's check with the lights. My keys. Not working, why not? Oh, I didn't connect it right. I missed a little spade connector. I should have done that in the first place. Get round here and get a different perspective. I can see the bloody thing quite clearly. And it's on now. You can see. There's a little button. And I've got the two, well, I just unplugged one yesterday. And as you can see from the reflection in the bin, got pressure back due to the pistons being freed up. So right, safe to go to work after I've had my frozen meal. Let's just drop down. A little pump. I think I will tidy up. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Grease and stay there. Yeah, I once picked this up without clicking it and it went all over the floor. Took 10 minutes to sort out. Right, baby, nice and warm. Yeah, I'm very pleased with them. £10.99 with free post. Bit of a wait for them. I waited about a month. It looks like a quality item. Reflective strip, but I can't get that bloody protective cellophane off. Maybe with rubber gloves or something. What are you doing? Stop being silly. Why do cats try to trip you up? I saw it on the shelf at Morrison's, chicken Rogan Josh. I'll give it another 4 minutes. Moose for after. They're what came with those handguards, but I might use the existing ones. That's come in handy, Hepcat Harley, thank you very much. It's alright for my little Spanish. Little shortbread tin. Wash your handies. Oh, that's one of the bloody Nuts, Chris, Iron Brew. Meal deal Ribena butty. Chicken salad butty. Yes, normally I'm a salad dodger, but when I saw the size of my belly on Ainsworth Rider's video, I insisted it was an optical illusion or a delusion, and I'm not really that fat. Oh, embarrassing. I mentioned this stuff before. I don't mess around with any Swarfiga, which is rubbish. This stuff from the pound shop, Star Drops, the pink stuff, the miracle cleaning paste. I think it's intended for pots and pans, but it should say pots, pans and hands. Knees and bumpsy daisy. Just look at that, all that guns. Just dissolves to nothing. And no, it doesn't harm your hands, it doesn't set your fingerprints off. He said using a scourer. What time is it? 10 to, oh, just in time. So I sorted my brakes. Reconnected the brake light. But if I'd have done this on Saturday, I could have relaxed like I normally do at this time, instead of panicking. Ooh, that cooling smells. Hope it doesn't go right through me. That's for the recycling. Yeah, cheap chicken, and I've left it. Doesn't half smell funny though. Dreamies, about half of them. 2 bags. Bye for now. Hello. Yes, it's late at night. I thought instead of putting a television on I'd fit these, but what a pain. Because they're not symmetrical, or they're meant to be, or muffs symmetrical. You know, the gap between the fairing, can you see? Where's that light? Maybe they're just meant to serve a practical purpose rather than aesthetically improving the looks of your bike. So only thing is, I put them both on and then realised, I thought, what's that little spacer for? And I left it off. And it's because if you tighten it up, the bloody bar end weight rubs against the rubber. I could trim that off, couldn't I? Is that what that line's for? Just Stanley knife and trim the rubber off. Sort of cushion it, but why bother? Got some rubber washers ready. Plus the, I've used the original screw that I had, I haven't used their bolts. Maybe I should have done. I could have put a rubber washer in. I'll play it by ear. If it's not suitable tomorrow, I'll faff around with it at weekend. Okay, so there we are. That's today's faff. Sorted the brakes again. Put new pads in. Should I put new pads in now on the right hand side? Be even more squidgy tomorrow. Should I do? No, I'm tired. I'll have a brew, watch the telly, go to bed. I could do that tomorrow. I normally have a couple of hours spare if I go to work. Bye for now.